Very good morning, students. We are revising lesson 7 in science, that is animal world. In this chapter, today's topic is movement of animals. So, student, movement of animals, you all were thinking, what is there in movement of animals? In this topic, we will study why animals move from one place to another and what organs or what limbs are used by the animals to move from one place to another. Like birds hop from one place to another if they want to move. Frog do the movement by hopping, and birds by flying, tiger by running. So different animals have different body parts which they use to move from one place to another. This we will study in this topic. After that, you have to complete the worksheet which I will post in the class group, and you have to submit that worksheet till 9:30. So let's start the today's topic. Students, we are revising lesson 7 in science, that is animal world, and today's topic is movement in animals. Today we will revise the topic movement in animals. So let's start the today's topic. Movement in animals. Animals move from place to place in search of food, shelter, mates, and to escape from their enemies. Yes, animals do not stay at one place only. They move from place to place. Why they need to move from place to place? Because like us human beings, they don't have kitchen, they don't have restaurant so that they can order the food. They need to search the food. Okay, they need to search the shelter. They keep on changing their shelter. Shelter is the place where they live. They search for their mates and to escape from their enemies. Yes, when any enemy find that they are staying at same place, so it will be risky for that animal and their babies. So they need to change their places. Now, different animals move in different ways. Here we are talking about movement in animals. So different animals have different things or different body parts to move from one place to another. We will discuss it today. Insect like 6 legs. Insects have 6 legs. Yes. If we are talking about insect, they have 6 legs in their bodies. Insects like ant and cockroaches crawl on their legs. Yes. Crawling means regna. So generally, if we are talking about the insect like ants and cockroaches, they have small legs, very, very tiny legs. So they crawl on their legs. Grasshoppers have strong hind legs for hopping. Yes, grasshopper generally don't move, or you can say that grasshopper generally don't walk when they need to move from one place to another. They hop. Hop means jumping from one place to another. So grasshopper have strong hind legs for hopping. Some insects like butterflies and dragonflies fly using their wings. Yes, insects, if we are talking about the insects like butterflies and dragonflies, so what they use? They use their wings to move from one place to another place. Okay. Now, fish, whales and dolphins have fins for swimming in water. Yes. If we are talking about some water animals like fish, whales and dolphins, what they have, how they move in the water, they have fins in their body. Okay. Fins, you can say, I showed you the diagram when I was teaching this topic. Fins are there in on the side of the body of the fish. So fins helps them to swim in the water, to change the direction, to turn back. All these are helped by the fins. Okay, you can say small wings are there in the fish body. Now, snakes move with the help of scales found on their body. Now, snakes don't have leg. They generally move from the lower side of their body, and that is called scales. So, scales on the lower side of their body, they use their scales to move from one place to another. Frog. Frogs have webbed feet. As you can see here in the diagram also, the frog have webbed feet to swim in water. They use their webbed feet when they are in the water. They use their webbed feet to swim in the water. And they have strong hind legs for hopping on the land. Yes, you saw that frog is also doing the hopping, not walk on the land. So they use their hind legs. These are their hind legs. So they use their hind legs to hop on the land, means jumping from one place to another. Children, you have seen that if frog is sitting at one place and you touch the frog, what will happen? It jumps from that place to another place. It never walk or never run from that place. So that jumping is called hopping. Okay, so they use their hind legs. That is their hind legs. The back legs are called hind legs. So they use hind legs for hopping on the land, and they use their webbed feet to swim in the water. Okay. Now, turtles. Turtles have paddle-like limbs which help them to swim in water. Yes, they have paddled limbs, as you can see here in the picture. It looks like a paddle, so they use their paddle limb to swim in the water. Birds fly with the help of their wings. Yes, if we are talking about the birds, yes, here is the Siberian crane. So whenever Siberian crane need to move from one place to another, what it will use? It will use its wings to move from one place to another. And the birds are using their wings to fly. They move with the help by the flying from one place to another. Okay, they use their legs to walk or hop. Yes, birds generally do both the things, walk or hop. So sometimes they hop and sometimes they walk. Water birds like duck and swan have webbed feet to swim in the water. Yes, if you are talking about water bird, so then they also have the webbed feet like frog, and they use their webbed feet to swim in the water. Now, most mammals have 4 limbs. Mammals are those animals who give birth to the babies. Do not lay eggs. They give birth to the baby. Dogs and cats use their limbs to walk or run. Human beings use their legs to walk and hands to hold things. Penguins and seals have flippers to swim in water. Bats have 4 limbs modified into wings for flying, and bats are the only mammal that can fly. So, if we are talking about the mammals, they have 4 limbs. They use their both 4 limbs to walk, run, stand, and do any activity. If you are talking about human beings, they use their legs to walk, run, stand, and their hands to hold the things. Penguins and seals have flippers to swim in water. Means their legs are called flippers. Bats have 4 limbs modified into wings. Bat is the only bird that will categorize as a mammal. So they have 4 limbs and their wings are categorized as a 4 limbs. Okay. Now, bats are the only mammal that can fly. Okay. Now, student, in this way we have completed movement in animals. I'll give you one worksheet which you have to do based on the topic which we have studied today. If you have any queries in any of the topic, you are free to ask me. Thank you, class.